Hello, this is Robert. This video will assist you in learning to read newspaper article citations and also how to create them. I'm on the APA Styles homepage here, their style guide, and notice it says newspaper articles references. This is for your uh, bibliography, your citations. First off, author's name. You'll notice it here. Notice it is last name and then comma first initial. That's all you need to give for your authors. If there's more, you'll add the second one in the same way. The second is the date. The date. Notice the date is it gives the year, comma, month, day, and then a parentheses, in parentheses, and period. This is the way you do any news article because you'll see this one's for a website. This is for the print version, and here is one from a library database. Notice all of them have the date the same, so you'll do that. Next is the title of your article. It is in sentence case, meaning only the first letter is uppercase, capitalized. If you have a colon in it, it'll be the first letter after that, and any proper nouns. So that is and it ends with a punctuation mark. This one, because the title was a question mark. The rest of these end with periods. Then you have the name of the newspaper. The name of the newspaper. It is italicized. New York Times, Washington Post, Chicago Tribune. If you get it free from a website, this is the way you'll need to use the URL for it. If you get it from print, notice this one has page numbers. This one does not because there are no page numbers online. So you see the page numbers are given A1, A4. And this one from a database, notice there is no page numbers given because typically in those databases that information is not given. It's not given. And again, if you scroll down, if you go to this page, you'll see more information about it, about that. Now, notice it also says articles from a news website, CNN, Huffington Post, one that does not have an associated daily or weekly newspaper. Use the format for a web page on a news website instead, and I'll show you that one in a second. But this is information about how you would cite a newspaper article. So if you have any questions, contact me, look it up, look at online writing lab at Purdue. Thank you.